days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want?
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm TearaShanice. If you are returning, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Today's video, I will be installing Unice hair. This is the package that came in. I also received a robe, a bonnet, and as well another packet full of their goodies, as well as the HD wig caps. So in the package, I received a 13x4 Kinky straight wig. The length of this wig is a 24-inch, and I'm not really sure of the density, but it has to be about 180. It does come with an adjustable elastic band, as well as the elastic straps that's already on the wig. It does have 2 combs on the side and 1 at the bottom of the wig. And it does have a transparent lace. This wig is very stretchy, and it does have a pretty good lace on it as well. The knots are very small. It did not take me long to bleach the knots at all, and it is already a pre-plucked hairline. I did go back and pluck it some more, of course, but I do want to just show y'all the full look of the wig. This wig is very, very thick, all the way from the roots to the end of the wig. I did trim it a little bit afterwards once I started straightening it. You don't necessarily have to trim it, but I like to trim my ends to be blunt. So as I was just showing you, it did have just a couple of strands of it shedding. I believe it was about 1 or 2 strands. So let's get into these wig caps. Y'all, they sent some HD wig caps. I'm in love. Order this wig just for the wig caps. This is my first time actually trying these wig caps, and they are a life changer. I didn't have to put any kind of foundation once installing this wig because the wig cap did its job. It is an HD wig cap. It's very, very stretchy. So if you do have a larger head, it's going to fit. It's going to fit. It's very stretchy. So this is what it actually looks like up close. As you can see, it stretches a lot and it blends very well. So no matter what kind of complexion you have, it's going to blend. So once I bleach the knots and pluck, this is what the wig is looking like. I didn't have to go back and pluck anymore because I did its job. So this is what it looks like close to me. The wig is very long. I know it says 24 inches, but y'all know some companies don't actually deliver. But Unice actually did deliver. This wig was so long, so full. And remember, I already washed the hair and everything and let it dry. So this is the fullness of this hair. Very full. I received no tangling whatsoever after washing the hair. Extremely thick, still thick. So the frontal wasn't bad as far as parting. You do get a good bit of parting space. I do go in with a side part later on. But if you wanted to put in any kind of style, you will be able to. This wig is just extremely thick, and I did really, really like it. I absolutely love kinky straight texture for the ones who don't know. So this wig was just perfect for me. I like a natural look. So this wig is gorgeous. The lace is perfect. And let's just jump right into the video.
In the meantime, just not doing what I want. Just some me time. Keep doing what you want. Maybe I'll love myself. I don't.
Just the way you shake it once again, so you know it's all.
can't even sit in peace. Cause all of these niggas be on you.
Corey Towns, y'all.
I'm just saying I can be, yeah, the one that you call and you talk to, girl. I'll share my world with you. If you're gonna waste your time, then waste your time with me. I mean, honestly, open your eyes and see. If you're gonna waste giving you what you need, then waste your time with me. You could have all the space, more than you need. It's no pressure, girl. If you got time to waste it with me. And I ain't worried about them. Girl, you all that I see. And I am who I am. And I be where I be. If you ever hit me on a late night, I'll give you a clear mind. Might give you some insight. I'll share my world with you. If you're gonna waste your time, then waste your time with me. I mean, honestly, open your eyes and see. If you're gonna waste your time, then waste your time with me. You can have all the space, more than you need. It's no pressure, girl. If you got time to waste it with me. Don't close your eyes to get away. Bang my line and I'll arrange it. Beautiful, girl, you're stainless. You'll be fine, I'll be painless, yeah. All I'm drinking is champagne. All you want is the same thing.
Yeah. The 10,000 building, get your ass an apartment, put you inside a G-class, that's just a starter kit. Plenty things count in life, but none of them is the thought of it. New piece around my neck is chess games, cause shorty stay with calculated moves like Beth Harmon. Swear I'm more Purple Rain Prince than Prince Charming. Disappointment, I stay expecting it. The pessimist, gold medalist, flush the magnums just so they not collecting my specimens, damn. The way she with Poppy, man, you would think she's a veteran on remembrance. Cleaning lady, sweep the room daily for all the evidence of everything I ever did. Do they have a pool there? Do they have a gym there? You used to do skincare, but now you do swimwear. Your ex-roommate got a condo that's downtown, but she got no furniture in her crib. I've been there. Checkmate.
2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, maybe later, you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit Windy City.
Did I see?
No, 30 degrees, way to go, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight?
Hey. Truck to the plane, to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through underground garages, presidential suite on deposit, elevator up to the room, shower up and then we hit the club. Touchdown, gotta see what's up. Area code in my phone. What numbers do I still have? Who do I know from the past? Hit one, she say she got a man. Hit another one, it goes green. Must've changed foes on the team. Remember when you let me in between? That was 2017. All good, chug a look around. Find one that seem my type. Damn, my dog and he know what I like. He done found me plenty in my life. Problem is I meet a girl tonight, then I go and treat her too nice. Galleria credit card swipes. I don't even know if she a wife, but I do know one thing though. Women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday through Sunday, yo. Maybe I'll love you one day, maybe we'll someday grow. Till then I'll sit my drunk ass on that runway, on this one way.
2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, maybe later, you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit Windy city, she blowing me kisses, no. 30 degrees, way too low, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Early in the morning, late at night. It don't even matter what time it is. Presidential rolling, RM, wait. Whenever I found time, it's okay. ATL Jacob. Pray for my demons, girl, I catch you. Every time I sip on codeine, I get vulnerable. Annoying the sounds of the storm when it comes. She understand I can't take her everywhere a nigga going. I've been in the field like the children on the corn. I can hear the tears.
Just the way you shake it once again, so you know it's on. Just the way you shake it once again, oh you know it's on. Just the way you shake it once again, so you know it's on. Just the way you shake it once again, oh you know. Just the way once again, so you know once again. Just the way once again, oh you know. Just the way once again, so you know. Just the way once again, oh you know.
All right, how do y'all like? How do you like? All right, so I did just straighten the hair to the best of my ability because y'all know the back is extremely hard. And I did go ahead and do the baby hairs with the side part. I love this hair. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I love this hair. I love the texture. I love the length. Did y'all see the blunt ends? Because I trimmed it and it's still so long. So I just want to kind of show y'all in the natural lighting. This wig is giving HD. It's giving HD with no effort. You don't have to do much for this wig. Flawless. Like, I can't really explain it. Like, this wig is flawless. So I am 5'6". This is what the wig looks like on me. I did show y'all in the front. This is the back. Look how thick it is. Like, you will definitely feel like Ari and his friends. Tay and his friends. You will definitely feel like that with this wig. So I just wanted to show y'all how it looks in different lighting. So don't forget about Unice hair. This is the Kinky straight wig.
You can't even sit in peace, 'cause all of these niggas be on you.
Corey Towns, y'all.
I'm just saying I can be, yeah, the one that you call and you talk to.